Oh, I'm restoring CL7 headlights. It's kind of hazy in that one too, so I'm just using the Turtlewax headlight lens restorer. So it's an easy step. So you need to clean first the headlights with just water. That's only water, it's not a wheel cleaner. And first step is to use the compound just to dab it out, just wipe it. Then if the result is pretty good, then you could go ahead and apply the clear coat and the sealant. So this one comes with a sealant on it and inside the box. So this is the base coat wipe, and the other one is the sealing wipe. So you could use one of these. There's two headlights. So what I'll do, I'll try to compound it, and if the compound won't work, I'll try to remove some a yellowish thing in here on the headlights. We're using this pad that they gave us on that package, and make sure to lubricate while rubbing it back and forth. So I'm using this compound. Try to check that one out first. It's a bit hazy. I'm trying to see how this one works. Try to spread it out. I'm just going to use a clean cloth just to rip it out. Sorry guys, I'm just using one hand, so I'm trying to wipe it out. Let's see looks pretty new. See that one? It looks pretty awesome. That looks really brand new. What do you think? But what I'll do, because I'm not satisfied yet, so what I'll do, I'll go with this one. I'll do lubricating spray. Do a compound of it, try to take the, I don't know, dirt or something, imperfection in headlights, then go back to the compound, then after that do the base coat, and we'll see what happens. So this one is easy to use, so all you need to do is it's just a sandpaper. It comes with a McGuire's kit. So you need to use the first one, just a minute to just rubbing out on the headlights back and forth. Then after the first one, second, after using this one, we'll use the third one. Same thing, just back and forth, and the fourth one would be on the opposite direction. So what I might do, I might just do the first one doing this one, second one will be doing vertically. Then third one in same. So but I need to make sure that it's wet. It's like doing wet sanding. Then after that, wipe it down, do another compound. Headlights. Then after compound,